wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! Oh, I'm excited. It's another story to tell to you kids. Are you ready for this one? This is one of my favorite stories. You know why? Because it's about Fluffy. I don't know if Fluffy's sleeping. Should we wake him up? Fluffy! Kids, can you help me? Fluffy! I think we need to do it louder. Fluffy! Oh, he fell asleep again. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. Fluffy! Oh, look. There he is. Hi, Fluffy. Are you awake? We're telling a story about you. Yeah, do you want to listen? Okay, so let's start. This is about Fluffy. After Christina and her parents had their supper, the November evening turned much colder. I'm going to close the garage door, Christina's father said. He came back in a few minutes. We have a visitor in the garage. I can hear it, but I can't find it. Christina and her parents hurried to the garage to look and listen. There! Christina screamed. I hear it! Her mother and father nodded. They heard it too. But where was the sound coming from? Christina looked under the car. There was nothing there. Woof, 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 woof. The hoarse, small sound came again, like a cry for help. At last, Christina found the dog behind the clothes dryer. Crouching there, it looked frightened and hungry. Oh, poor little puppy, Christina said. It's brown, she told her parents. I'll get some food, her mother said. Why, hello, puppy. Do you have a hungry tummy, little puppy? When Christina's mother came back, she placed the food on the floor beside the clothes dryer. It's so thin, Christina's mother said. The puppy began to eat some of the food. Then Christina's father petted it. Oh, so gently, and picked it up carefully and placed it in an old blanket. The puppy sniffed the blanket and then curled up until it looked like a little brown ball. I'll sing you to sleep, Christina told the puppy. And she sang, good night, pretty puppy, sleep tight, pretty puppy. When Christina and her parents went upstairs, Christina's first words were, may I keep the puppy? It may belong to someone else, her father answered. Let's wait and see, okay? But then no one came looking for it. And it looked like Christina could keep the puppy. So Christina kept giving the puppy some food, but it still seemed very weak. We must take it to the animal doctor. He can check to see how healthy it is and give it medicine, Christina's father said. The animal doctor looked at the puppy. This puppy has not had a good home, he told him. He smiled at Christina. I'll keep it here for a few days and try to make it well. If it was smart enough to find its way to your house, I think it will try hard to get well. Because look, it really loves you. Back home, Christina thought of names for the puppy. She remembered that the animal doctor had said it was a smart dog. I'm going to name it Smarty, Christina told her mother. Are you sure you want to name it that way? It does look very fluffy. Okay, how about we call it Fluffy? Waiting for Fluffy to get well seemed forever. Each day, Christina's mother called the doctor. Not yet, he said. Then one day he told them the puppy was well. Oh, the puppy looked so much better. When they were home, it snuggled close to Christina. Oh, Fluffy, I love you, Christina said. Fluffy yawned. I'm going to sing you asleep again, Christina said. Good night, little Fluffy, sleep tight, little Fluffy, The puppy was asleep in Christina's lap, and Christina was very happy, a very happy girl who now had a very healthy pet and a new friend. That's so nice. I didn't know that was your story, Fluffy. I didn't realize that's how you came to us. Yeah? Is that your story? Did you know about that, Olivia?
No.
That's a beautiful story.
It's a great story.
I'm so happy we have Fluffy with us.
Me too.
Okay. You want to sleep again? You want a treat? Well, how about we say goodnight to the kids? I will give you a treat, Fluffy, and then we will all go to bed. Kids, do you also have a pet at home? Maybe a dog just like Fluffy. Or maybe you have a cat or a bunny. Those are all pets. Do you take care of them too? Do you bring it some food? Or do you take it outside? Maybe you even play with them. Right? I like playing with Fluffy. He's such a good dog. Yeah.
Yeah. What about fish?
Oh, yeah. You have a fish at home. Yeah, fish are nice animals too. You can look at them and watch them the whole time in the aquarium, but you have to take care of them too. You have to make sure to change their water and give them food every day, and then they swim from left to right and right to left. What other pets do you have?
Pigs.
A pig? Pigs are smart animals, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Just like Peppa Pig here. But, you know what? I think Fluffy's smarter. Well, I don't know, smarter. But Fluffy has a lot more energy. Peppa, you just want to sleep all day, don't you? But Fluffy, you just want to sleep all day, don't you? So Fluffy, I think it's time for you to get your treat, and then we go to bed. Do you want to say the kids good night? Wow, that was a big, big bark for them. I think what he said, kids, is good night, sleep tight, and don't forget to dream again. Bye! Woof, woof. Bye! Woof.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.